Y'all already know what it is. I'm back and I'm better. Y'all thought it was over, but it's not. I'm back again with another video, a galaxy inspired makeup tutorial, eyeshadow. You see this special lip? I did this special lip just for you guys, okay? This lip was hard. It wasn't that hard, but it was something different. It took a lot of work, a lot of effort. So go ahead, take a seat and enjoy the video. Okay, so I did my eyebrows already. Wow, as you can see, I'll do like a little I guess eyebrow routine, how I do my eyebrows. It Cosmetics brush. It's like a flat fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I'm gonna take All Star, which is this color right here, and I'm going to pat that around on my lid. I'm gonna do like I guess a halo eye today is what we're going for. Y'all, like, I don't know, I've been so lazy lately, I feel like. And well, actually my lazy is, I don't know, I guess I haven't been lazy. I guess my lazy is a little different. I guess I'm just not used to like not doing so much in one day, because usually I'm used to like waking up and just like go. But since I've been on break, I haven't had to do that. I'll still wake up early and stuff, and I like go to the gym, like, you know, I go to the gym, I make breakfast, I'm productive, like I do stuff, I wake up early, but I'm just not used to like staying in the house all day, I guess. Like, I don't know, I'm just not used to it, so I feel like lazy. But I've been getting stuff done, okay? I'm working on this, I have to work on this research paper, and I'm trying to do it over my winter break, so that way when I get back to the semester, like when the school starts, I won't have to like work on it as much. Fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dip into Roxy, which is this color right here. And then I'm gonna blend that on top of where I did the purple, on the edge. And then this brush again with the with All Star, that purple, and I'm just gonna pack some more on there because it kind of got washed out with Roxy. All right, I'm taking my Closer Since 13 palette. I mean my 13 brush, my Closer Since 13 brush, and it looks like this. It's like pointed, but it's fluffy. And I'm going to take the color Rowdy, which is this color. And I'm gonna go like right in my crease area, like around. Like that. And okay, so now I'm gonna go back with this brush and take, what's that, All Star again, which is that purple that I used before, the dark purple, and I'm going to pack that on there and blend it with the dark purple. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the halo part on the inside. I want to do like a little triangle, kind of like a little triangle, like it's gonna go like shoot, shoot, shoot. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all see. You'll see. Like that. And I'm gonna do it to this eye. Like green and purple-ish. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but that's what it is. And it's really glittery. So I'm gonna take this and just pack it on where I did my crease or where I put the concealer. This is a really pretty color too, like, it's electric. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in with the 13 brush with that Rowdy, that dark purple, and just go on the edges lightly where that center is, so I can blend into each other. We want everything to be blended. We don't want no harsh lines, like nothing. So we need it to be seamless, like flawless. Okay? Okay. So, and that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. This is not sponsored, by the way, and I don't eat at McDonald's, so. But wait, there's more. Okay, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer, and then I'm gonna use the Professional Benefit Professional. This is the small one. I got the little sample because honestly, I just don't be knowing. I'm not the type of person to just buy big things until I've tried the sample version, because I don't know if I like it or not, and I don't be trusting other people's opinions. Like, I know it'd be reviews and stuff like that, which is, yeah, that's great, but my thing is, I don't be trusting everybody's opinion. To be real with y'all, I don't. So I like to get the small ones first, and then before I get the big ones. So, and I just put that like where I have open pores. So now I'm gonna use this Lancome. I don't know how to say the name. Teint Idole. Teint Idole. Idole Ultra Wear. Whatever. If you know how to say this, if you speak French, I think this is French. If you know how to say this word, let me know, because I don't. Cute. Okay. Boo. Y'all, I be hyping myself up all the time, because sometimes you gotta be your own hype man, okay? Hype yourself up. Ain't nobody can hype you up. You better do it yourself, okay? Like, seriously, because some people, they be hating or whatever. They don't want to give credit when it's due or whatever. They like to sit around and just be like, I think they too good to pay a compliment. So sometimes you just gotta look at yourself and be like, you're that bitch, okay? That bitch. And I know I am, so it's not an issue. It's not an issue. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm running low. I'm gonna get a new concealer, I promise. Like, the next time I do a video, I will have a new concealer, okay? This one or this one. I don't know. I like to be snatched. Like, I like to look like a snack. A snatched snack. Get it? So that's what I use. I'm gonna use a blender. This is really soft, so I'm gonna spray it a little bit. Bam, like that. And just go. Oh, excuse me. Right under my eye. But I'll take the bronzer and I'll go over it. Over my contour parts. With some bronzer. Like that. And then I just take this brush broke, but it's like a flat little brush just to swipe away all the powder. I like to take this and just go at the bottom of my contour so it's not too harsh. But at the bottom of my contour so it's not too harsh. Like, I don't want that harsh line. You just want it to be smooth, you know? So now okay, I'm gonna use the eyeliner. So I put my eyelashes on. Now the Coastal Scents 15 brush that I used the electric color on, and I'm gonna dip that back into electric and go right on my waterline. Like that. Oh, my nose. Okay. So for my lips, I'm gonna use this. It's like a purple liquid lipstick. I want to put electric on my lips, but I want it to be glossy, so I got this MAC lip polish lip gloss. And I'm just gonna squeeze some on the back of my hand. Bitch, I be trying to tell y'all I'm not from this world. Like, alright guys, so this is the finished look. You see this? Look.